Something pretty cool here is like you order through a vending machine outside, you get a wee ticket, and then you go inside, a bit like what we had the other day. And they have pictures of all their food, so it's perfect for us that doesn't understand the menu. What do you want?
I think I want this one.
Yeah. Okay, one ticket. There we go.
Take it. I'll take this. Look at that. So I've already mixed mine up. It did look a lot nicer when it first came down, but I have got a spicy ramen with like minced meat in it with a bit of spinach and spring onion. And Eoin has went for a pork dish with pork cutlet with rice and an egg.
And it looks good.